there, little explorers! Welcome to Smarty Tales Kids, where learning is fun and every day's an adventure. Let's go!
Mellow's melody, Pups wagging tail.
A tiny panicked squeak echoed from the edge of the deep meadow. A baby rabbit, too bold in his exploration, had hopped far, far too from the safety of his warren. Now he was alone, scared, and utterly lost. His little nose twitched, calling for a family he couldn't see or scent. His entire world suddenly vast and terrifying. He had no idea how to find the path back home. It was Zip, with his keen eyesight, who discovered the first clue. "Look here," he called out, pointing to the soft, damp earth near a creek bank. There, pressed perfectly into the mud, was a trail of tiny, perfect paw prints. "This is our map," Zip declared, his detective instincts firing up. "We just have to follow the trail backward." And so began a careful, methodical, forensic journey. Zip led the way, his nose close to the ground, his eyes tracing the subtle path through tangled grass and over mossy stones. Mellow stayed close to the frightened baby rabbit, using his calm presence to soothe the little one's fears. "We're following your own adventure," Mellow explained gently, turning the scary situation into a thrilling quest. As they journeyed, Zip's athletic body cleared small obstacles from the path, ensuring a safe return route. The trail led them through the whispering reeds, across a small, sturdy log bridge, and finally to the familiar entrance of the warren. The mother rabbit, her eyes wide with worry, spotted her returning baby. What followed was a joyful hopping rain of embraces, nuzzles, and relieved squeaks. The lesson was learned not through scolding, but through a loving rescue. The importance of staying close to family, and the incredible fact that even the smallest footprints can lead you home.